So we're now on section 5 of the module 5 access for ECDL European Computer Driving License, and we're going to look at the sorting and the using filters. Hi, so sorting in Access, very easy, just like the other applications. You've got to go into the field that you want to sort, depending on which it is, and you've got very easy access to ascending or descending, or if it's figures, if you just click on there, it's got the same, but if you right click, you can have sort to largest to smallest, smallest to largest. So that's a very quick way of sorting database data. Okay. The other part of the filtering, which is in the same group just here on the Home tab, all on the Home tab, we have a filter by selection. Here we have a filter by form, and then we have a quick filter, which is this area here. So if I use the quick filter, it just drops down certain areas that we can just take the ticks off or put them on, or we can use the filters, which is equals to, does not equal, and then lots of other query filters there. Okay, so that's where we will find these. If we take something on and put something off and OK, you can see that it's got a little filter there to show that it's on. Toggle filter lights up in between all of these filters. If you click on there, it clears the filter, so it's very easy to use. The other thing is you can watch for is down here you've got unfiltered, but once again if I use a quick filter and take that off, do it the other way around, you can see that that says it's filtered and that says it's filtered, so you clear the filter. So the test could be that you would filter in a particular way. It could be that you use the quick filter, it could be that we use the selection filter by selection that we're going to use next, or it could be the filter by form. A filter by form is when there's more than one criteria to sort. So let's do the filter selection one next, which is just here. So to filter by selection, you would pick what they were asking for. For example, in the room number, I may be asked to filter so that we can see the room number 120. So if I right click on there, I can get equals 120. The filter's on, the toggle's showing, and I've filtered it according to 120. Nice and quick, isn't it? Also, if I clicked in there in a drop down here, it's got exactly the same features. So you can have all these different ones that you could use. So that's quite easy. So what you have to decide really between the quick filter and the filter by selection, which one is going to be the quickest with regard to the test. So if one's ticking off lots of things or taking them all off and putting on several, and the other way of filtering by selection is just a right click, then you're going to go for the filter by selection. The next one, the filter by form, is just in here, and if you click on the filter by form, you will see that they all disappear. So you have to put the criteria in. So if I put if I just take that off, take the filter off, back to normal again. Let's just check and see what we've got. So let's do a filter for two types of criteria where we've got a contact ref of 100 and a room number 120, just so we get something to come back. So remember, you've got your contact ref 100 and 120. So into filter by form, so contact ref 100, and then I've already got that on as 120, and then I filter it, and then it comes up like that. Okay. If then take the filter off and filter by form again, if I filtered by something, maybe, I don't know, if it's not applicable, it's not going to work, and I filter, then nothing comes back. Okay, so just be aware, and then toggle again, and you're back to your original data. So 3 different filters: quick filter, the little drop downs, and then you've got your tick boxes, filter by selection, nice right click, nice and quick, according to what it's selecting, and then your filter by form, which is more than one criteria. Clearing filters, the final bit of sorting and filtering is if you've got a filter on, then this is the area that you can clear the filter from. And also going back to original data, you can always use that toggle filter. So we're going to move on to queries next, section 6, if you want to come along with me. We're going to leave this here for today. Thank you.